Want to add products to Shopify's store and organize them into categories? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser, then search Shopify. Now head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in on the Shopify dashboard, you will find the option of products. Go ahead and click on that. Now, click on Add Product. Here, you will have to fill up all the descriptions. So start by entering the title. Now, type in the description of the product. After that, you will have to upload the media. Go ahead and click on Upload New. Then you want to upload images, videos, or 3D models. Next, you want to select the category. Now it's time for pricing. Enter your price, enter the compare ad price. Now you can enter cost per item, which will calculate profit and margin automatically. Now enter the inventory details. After that, you will have to enter the weight of the product for shipping. Now, if this product has any variants, then you can enter other variants such as colors. If this product has more than one colors, enter all the colors over here. Now make sure you select active for status. Then you can enter the product organization. Once everything looks good, click on the save option. Now to keep products organized, under products, find collections and click on that. Now click create collection, enter a title and upload a category image. Once you save this collection, return to your product list. Then click on the three-dot menu. Now choose add to collection and assign them. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily add products to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.